here and welcome back. For today's video, I have two keyboard switch testers. This one is the Cherry MX and this one is the Kailh box. I am currently gathering materials because I'm going to build another custom mechanical keyboard. So I wanted to get those testers and just really fill out all of the switches and see which one I like the most. The last keyboard build, I used the Kailh box Jades. So far those are my favorite, but I haven't really given any other ones a chance, so that's the plan for today. If you're interested in seeing that video, I will put the description down below. One video is the actual build, and another video is the programming of the keyboard. As many of you guys know, sound test is really important when you're building a keyboard because some people like it soft, some people like it hard, some people like it clicky, some people like it silent. It really depends, so having these testers really help you out. And we're gonna see right now because there's a huge difference between all of these. Since it's now the fall and Halloween is coming, I decided to dress up for you guys. I am a kitten, a jingly kitten, and I freaking love it. So let's get started. I actually bought some parts for this build already, so let me pull them out and show you. Here is part of the plate. You'll see the inside there. So it kind of lays down after you put stabilizers and such. So there's that. Here are the LEDs. So if you see these like little pins here, or these little holes, and these pins will get soldered onto here so that it can glow. And then just a couple more screws and such. I don't want to take anything out of the bag because I will lose it before this build even starts. But that's what's come so far, and I still have a lot of things to order, but so far, so good. All right, so here are the switches. This one is Cherry MX. This one is Kailh box. Let's start with Cherry MX. So the first one is Speed Silver. Second one is Gray. Third one is Green. Fourth one is Clear. Fifth one is White. Sixth one is Blue. Seventh one is Brown. Eighth one is Red. And lastly, Black. All right, on to Kailh box. First one is Yellow. Second one is Black. Third one is Orange. Fourth one is Red. Fifth one is Jade. Sixth one is Brown. Seventh one is Navy. Eighth one is White. Ninth one is purple. lastly, blue. Alright, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know many of you are interested in building custom keyboards as well, so a sound test is always important. Many more videos to come, so stay tuned. Bye for now.